Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to go over the CODY ACE AC bracket that adapts the KA dual cam compressor to the SR20 bracket. The kit is pretty awesome. It comes with everything. It comes with all the bolts, the adapter bracket, and a belt, an AC belt. CODY ACE is a pretty awesome guy. I actually ordered the wrong one, and he was able to rectify that real quick. I emailed him and I was like, hey, I got the wrong one, and he immediately knew what my issue was, and so I sent him the kit back, and he sent me a whole nother one back, and it was a awesome exchange to deal with him. Alright, so now what comes actually in the kit and what you're going to need. Alright, so what actually comes in the kit is going to be this AC compressor belt, this machined billet bracket. This is the lower, this is the top one. As you can see the recessed portions that's actually going to go into the actual AC compressor bracket that's for the SR. So this is an SR AC bracket for my S14 SR. I got this from Rice and Beans Motorsports. They're somebody of mine, Raldo, and his brother Josue. They run the shop, and they have a bunch of 240 parts. If you ever need, get in contact with them. Awesome dudes. I'll link their information in the bottom and below. So also this comes with the recessed portion, the recessed bolts to go into the actual compressor AC bracket. So it comes with all four. Then it also comes with the 4 bolts that actually mount to the compressor to the actual billet portion. I had to get new hardware for this because I didn't have this on my SR. So these are just some bolts that I got from O'Reilly's. Pretty simple. I'll link the part number and all the information to these bolts if you're missing, because you're going to need the right length to actually fully have that good clamp force onto the actual motor. The kit also comes with installation information. If you actually go to his website where he sells his stuff, it gives you a layout on on what bracket you have and what you need. Like you'll need, so mine is a S14 SR, and I have a late model S13 dual cam AC compressor. There's 2 different kinds, and then so you're gonna need you're gonna need the right bracket for the right AC bracket part and the actual compressor. So in this you're also gonna need a small extension 3/8 and a 6 AN socket, a 15 millimeter socket, and a 3/8 drive, and then also a little bit of loctite. So I wanted to show you what it looks like installed on the actual bracket machine portion. So one of the things you're going to do is there's a nub that's here that protrudes past this flat portion, and you're going to have to grind that off in order for this to sit fully flush. See that? There's that. So that's how it's going to look. So that's what the bracket's going to look like when it's all said and done. Pretty awesome how simple and how easy this is. See? The pulleys align and everything. It's awesome. Alright, now to the installation.
You made a mistake, underestimating what you've taken on. I'm out of the cage, 'cause you opened the door. You're as innocent as gone. 'Cause if you're falling for me, just be one. 'Cause I don't think you're ready for it. I'm not that if you're falling for me, just be warned. If you're falling for me, I'm not the one to mess up. I'm not the one to mess up. Too many people done wrong, and you best believe that time's up. I'm a murderer.
So that about covers everything for today. The kit was super simple to install. Everything went off without a hitch. Cody Ace is an awesome dude. His product is awesome. My impressions of it, it's a fantastic piece of work. I'm glad he took the time to R&D all that and figure that out for the rest of us in the 240 world. I would make sure to look at the website, make sure you have the corresponding items, whether you have an S13 SR with S13 bracket with a early model dual cam or late model dual cam, and make sure you check this site pretty good. He's pretty knowledgeable and he's a super helpful guy. Well, that covers it. See you.